surprise bubble. Who wants some glitter to put in?
Me! I want to do it! Wait. And more. Let's go and fill them with water! Let's go! They're filled with water.
Do you want to put some colour in?
Yeah, I want some blue.
Blue. You want blue and
Pink. I want pink. Get ready for the freezer. Let's go. Shall we? Let's go and check if our ice gloves are ready. Yeah. Let's go. Look at them. Let's go. Whoa, I just cracked it. What's kaya? The purple. Oh, he's a purple. I'm doing any purple then. Oh, let's go.
okay, well he's got one finger on.
Which kaya is it? Purple. Whoa, this is so cool. I'm gonna put the fingers. Let's put up the fingers. Oh no, one can wait. One can wait. One, only one.
Only one?
Yep.
Okay, Shelby, some warm water. Careful. Pour it on.
I need purple. Then, wow.
Did it melt any?
Yep.
Is there any of your bits coming free, Lexi?
Wow. I want one, please.
Need more warm water?
It's my turn to get mine. A big crack! I got this one. I have a pink one. Yay!
Yeah, you got a star?
So pink going away. Oh! More stars got out of mine. More stars.
Oh, and look, there's money.
Oh, I got mine money. Nice.
Whose turn is it for more warm water?
Me. I get enough things. One thing coming out.
Look, there's a car in there.
Try to smash it. Elsa came out and my thing came out.
Your hair bubble?
And look, they just melted out, just melted. Let's go and smash it. My turn!
What's that one? Your handbag? Your lol handbag?
It's coming out, it's good. It came out! Good. And then the one came out!
Yo!
Whoa, that came out! We're gonna play and mix up our books. Does anybody like our soup? Does anybody want some soup? Yes! A car came out! Car came out. A car came out. Car came out.
You rescued all of your pieces, Lexi. What was in yours? You had a lol handbag, a hair bubble, Elsa, a comb, pink shoe, Minnie Mouse hair clip, and lots of glittery stars. Lovely. Shelby, you've still a few pieces to go.
These games. Oh, I want some warm water. Put into my soup.
All your pieces come out now, Shelby?
Nope.
Just that little bit. Do you want to put it in and I'll pour over this boiling water?
No, I need.
Set it. You set it on the spin. Set it on the spin and then you'll see the ice melting. You ready? And the ice just disappears. How cool is that?
Try it at home if this fun is sparing. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye.